Denver. How was the exam? I thought it was going to be more difficult.
It was very difficult. At least, it was for me. Did you get to answer all the questions?
Sure. I finished before everyone else did. It was a piece of cake, I suppose.
Well, you know I'm not good at writing. I prefer numbers, that's why I love math.
I know. But I hate mathematics. I prefer literature, writing, or maybe poetry.
Well, you are in the right career, I think. Since we study psychology, my friend.
Yeah. And by the way, why did you decide to study psychology if you don't like it?
You know I can't decide that. My father is a psychologist and my mother too.
Wow. But what would you like to study, then? I suppose you would have chosen numbers.
Oh, I love contability or economy. I always loved that since I was in first grade in high school.
I think you should talk to your parents and tell them you want to study another career.
I can't do that. They would kill me if I told them I don't want to be a psychologist.
But what are you gonna do? Are you going to spend 7 years studying this career?
In fact, that is my plan. I will finish studying psychology and then get a work to study again.
Oh, I see. That's why depending on your parents' money is a big problem.
Yeah, and I can't get a job now because the salary would not be enough to pay for the career.
I totally feel you. This is my second career, but the difference is I love them both.
Really? I did not know you had studied another career? What's that?
Kind of. The difference was that was working and studying at the same time.
Interesting. And how did you pay for the two careers? You followed my plan?
Yeah. I studied communications 6 years ago. I always loved that career.
Oh, okay. Well, I suppose I will have to get a job to start saving some money.
Yeah. I can recommend you in my last job. I'm sure you can easily make it.
Seriously? What is that job about? It would be great to earn some money.
I was a cashier in a bank near the supermarket which is in front of hospital.
Oh, that bank. Wait, don't you need to study or something to be a bank cashier?
No, you just need a 3 months training course that I also took while I was studying.
That sounds great. I have some free time in the afternoons, so I think I can take it.
Cool. I will give my ex-boss your phone number so he can call you, okay?
All right. Thank you very much. By the way, what's our next class today?
Let me see. Oh, it is social studies. I don't like that class much, you know.
Why? I think the teacher is great and she really gives opportunities.
I believe she does not teach very well. I have not learned much during this semester.
Well, to be honest, I have not learnt much either. But it's an easy class.
I'm not here just to pass. I want to learn new things. Remember, that's why we are here.
Yeah, but since I don't like the career, I don't care much about that anymore.
Yeah, I suppose you just want to finish the career to get a job and pay your other career.
That's correct. I'm telling you, if I had the money now, I would change of career.
Well, if you want to get a good job, you will need to study hard and get good grades, then.
What? No. I don't think it's necessary to get good grades to get a job.
Listen, this is how it works. As many good grades you have, you will have more contacts.
Seriously, I don't get you, my friend. Why is it necessary that to have contacts?
The important here is not the grades, but the image you give to the other people.
Oh, I think I get you now. Well, now that makes sense for me, I suppose.
Remember, I have studied a career already. So, I really know what I'm talking about.
Okay. I will make a bigger effort since now on to get better grades.
That's how I got the job I'm telling you about in first place. Because I could meet a person.
Oh, interesting. By the way, have you already studied for the next exam we have?
You mean for the social psychology? But the exam is tomorrow, not today.
Really? Oh my God. Then I think I have confused the exams.
Don't worry. The good thing is that you have already studied for that exam.
Yeah, that's good, but what exam do we have scheduled for today, then? Damn.
Let me check. Oh, it is education psychology, the exam we have in 1 hour.
Damn. I don't like that class and I have not studied anything for that either.
You really need to get an agenda or something to organize your time and the exams better.
Yeah, but now, what will I do? I don't have much time to study.
I have memorized a lot for the exam. Maybe we can study together this last hour we have.
Oh, would you do that for me? I would really appreciate that, my dear friend.
Sure. You're my friend and I think I also need a review before the exam.
Great, then. I can't wait to finish this semester and take some vacations.
Relax, it is just this week we have full of exams and then we will have 1 month free.
Yeah, I know that. I'm counting the days, you know. I can't wait for that.
By the way, where will you go on vacation? I have a house on the beach where we can go.
Actually, I was going to stay at home relaxing, but I really prefer your idea better.
Excellent. So, I will tell my parents I will use the house on the beach and that's it.
Great. Now, where can we go so we can study for the exam, please?
I think we could study in the library. There are not many people at this time.
Okay. Let's go. I really need your help. I need to pass all these exams with high grade.
Oh, you are learning fast. Let's go, but I want you to invite me a cup of coffee, okay?
Whatever you want. Just help me pass this exam and I will buy you anything. Let's go.